select this, let's take it to 14 and see, or let's take it to 16. Okay, now I didn't type it on that caps locks, so that is bad. What you do, you can right click and go to properties, and you can effect it. This is urban planning studio design, then you apply and okay. Now it's looking bigger. Let's take it back to 14, okay, or 12 rather. 12 is still big, still large. Maybe 10 is better. You try to make it to highlight. Okay, now for this other portion, maybe we should adjust this like this to make it look better. Adjust this again. Now maybe we want to insert our legend here. So what we do is excuse me, to insert the legend, you have to click this rectangle or square where it houses your design or your digitized base map, like this. You have to click it, then you come to insert, you come to legend. Then yeah, you see what we are doing here is we are trying to save the legend. So what we will do is come to legend here. The reason why I paused was that I wanted us to effect the corrections for these. Some of them are cap lock, some of them are under small case. So let's come here. What you do, you come to footpath, you click 1, 2, then you can type cap locks. You can type it as footpath, then you give it a space, sorry, maybe footpath. You enter, you click once, click twice, arterial road, you enter twice, then put type on completed building, enter, then okay, I think we are good for now. Okay, now for the I unchecked for the first we are going to save two works on A4. We'll save the base map without the satellite image, and we'll save the base map to superimpose on our satellite image. Okay, so we'll click on this portion now, then we'll go to insert, go to legend. Now everything is on cap locks, but you can see that the UniJAWS, this is the satellite image is not here because we unchecked it. So we'll go ahead and next it. It's loading. Let's allow it to load. Okay, it brings us here, bring us to this stage. This where the legend title is here. If you wish, you can type it under caps locks. You can effect the styling here. You next it, and finish. Now there you have it. Then you adjust it here. That's automatically created the legends for us. Okay, then here you can decide to put your scale here. You highlight here, you insert text. Maybe let's increase it to perhaps 20 and see this. Okay, it's better now. So we'll type and scale. Okay, sorry, let's drag it here, double left click and type scale, and then we apply, okay it, then we can adjust this. Okay, maybe we'll have to include our date too. This one should be able to take scale. Come to insert, add data frame, you right click, go to property, and you erase the name. Okay, now you can choose to bring it to this edge. Maybe I feel like there's a need to reduce the size of this text and maybe increase the bold. Maybe let's take it to 14 and see this better. Take it to this side. Okay, then come down here and we'll highlight and insert text. We increase the size to 14 first so that it will appear large. Then you adjust it inward here. You double left click on the text and type date. Okay, you come to draw and bold it. Okay, so now for our scale, in order to add up your scale, you click on the rectangle or square where it houses your base or digitized base map. Then you come to insert, you go to scale text and you just go to OK, and it adds up. It's automatically, you adjust it here. Now the reason why we always come here to select this is because scale is the work is georeference and it's working under a true scale, so we have to highlight this square in order for us to add up the true scale. Okay, so what you do, you come to this scale, you double left click on it, it brings you here. You come to absolute scale and you apply, then it brings you to this stage. So you can decide to increase it to maybe 20, then you bold it, then we can drop it here. For this text you can decide to use colon or leave it like that. That's our scale. Okay, now we'll have two scales. You highlight here, you come to insert again, then you come to scale bar. Under scale bar you scroll down and look for kilometer, metric. Under kilometer you can decide to use any of the metric scales. Maybe this one is okay, or we can decide to go down. These are all metric scales under kilometer. Maybe just use this one. You okay it applies, then you can zoom in to see what you are doing. You can decide to reduce it. You can decide to reduce it to your taste. Adjust, do some necessary adjustments. Maybe this is okay for us. Then you can, okay, maybe like this. You extend. Okay, this is better. Okay, it's in kilometers. Okay, then one more thing, we need to add the true north as well. So you come to insert, you come to add north arrow. I prefer using this. You can select any one of your choice, bring it inward. Some people like it inside their work. I prefer it inside. Some like it outside here for some reason. Then for your date, you can insert current date from here. Okay, take it down to this place. If your system is set to the current date, it applies automatically. Okay, so we can decide to add up to 20 perhaps, and then bold it. Then maybe I can get rid of this now. Maybe let's say delete. This is better. The date is okay. Now supposing you want to add up more details like